Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Okay students, and today's topic is multiples. Okay students, dear students, you know about what is a multiple of a number. Look at here carefully. What is a multiple of a number? Okay, students? Look at it carefully. Now let us consider an example. Here we have to take 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12. Okay, students? 3 4 is 12. Here we know that the factor of 12 are 3 and 4. That means that here given that the factor of 12 are 3 and 4. Okay, students? It means that 12 is a multiple of 3. Here 12 is a multiple of, understand, and 12 is also a multiple of 4. Okay, students? Here if we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 4, then here we get 12. Then we can say that the factor of 12 are 3 and 4. Okay, students? Therefore 12 is a multiple of 3 and 12 is also a multiple of 4. Clear? It means that if we have to take the multiplication of any number, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of given number by any other number, then we get the multiple of this. Okay, the multiple of this number. Okay, distance? Look at here carefully. Now let's start question number 1. Distance, look at here carefully. In question number 1, here given that write multiples of the following numbers. Write multiples of the following numbers. Look at here carefully. in question number A. Here given that 3. Okay, it means that find the multiple of 3. Okay students, how we can find the multiple of 3? Look at here carefully. Here we can write 3 into any number is equal to multiple. Okay students, it means that if we have to take the multiplication by any other number, okay, and given number, then we get the multiple of this number. Okay, now let's start. Here given that 3, firstly we have to take 3 into 0. 3 0 is 0, yes. If we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 1, then we get 3 1 is 3. Similarly, we can write 3 into 2 is equal to 3 2 is 6. Here we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 3. 3 3 is 9. Again we have to take the multiplication of 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12. Okay. Similarly, we can get a series. Okay. 0 3 6 9 12. Understand? Okay students, then the answer is 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30. Okay, here we can write 10 times. Understand? The multiple of 3 is equal to 3 6 9 12 and so on. Look at here carefully. Then the multiple of the given number is look at here carefully. The multiple of 3 is 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27 and 3 10 is 30. Okay students? Understand? Okay students, understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 5. Look at here carefully. Here given that 5, it means that the given number is 5. If we have to take the multiplication of 5 by any other number, then we get multiple. Okay students, then we get its multiple. Okay, here we use this formula and we get all multiple of given number. Okay, look here given that 5, if we have to take the multiplication of 5 and 0, then we get 5 0 is 0. Similarly, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20 and so on. Okay students, similarly we can solve all given questions as same. Look at here carefully. Now read this. Then the multiple of 5 is 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, 5 6 जा 30, 5 7 जा 35, 5 8 जा 40, 5 9 जा 45 and 5 10 जा 50. Okay, understand? Now let's start question number C. Here given that 7. Okay, here we can write the multiple of 7. Look, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63, 7 10 ja 70. Okay students, similarly do it yourself. Question number D, E and F. In question number D, here given that 9, 12, 15. Okay students, similarly do it yourself in maths homework. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, got it? Now read this. Now let's start question number 2. Here given that write any 5 multiples of write any 5 multiples of question number A 12, B 14, C 15, D 16. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question, here we can write 5 multiples of given number. Okay, look at here carefully. If we have to take the multiplication of given number and any other number, okay, then we get the multiple of given number. Understand? Look at here carefully. Here we can take the multiplication of 12 and any number, then we get its multiple. Okay students, then we get its multiple. Dear students, please keep in mind this formula. Okay, firstly we have to take (12) into 1 is equal to 12, and 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are, look at here carefully, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 5 2s are 10, 10 are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6, and 12 10s are 120. Okay students, it means that if we have to take given number and any other number, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of given number and any other number, then we get its multiple. Clear? Understand? Okay, look at here carefully. 12 2s are 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. Okay students, and 12 6s are, yes, 12 6s are 72. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. It means that 12 6s are, look, 12 6s are 72. Here we have to take serial wise. Okay, in this question here given that 14, here we can write any 5 multiples of 14. Look at here carefully. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56, 14 5s are 70, and 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. Understand? In question number C, here given that 15. Okay students, if we have to take the multiplication of 15 by any other number, then we get its multiple. Okay, it means that if we have to take given number and any other number, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of given number and any other number, then we get its multiple. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 15, 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are, yes, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are, very good, 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, and 15 6s are 90. Okay students, similarly we can write in this, look, similarly we can write in this place. Look at here carefully. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 80. Okay, understand? Here given that 16. This one's question number D, E and F. Question number D, E and F. Do it yourself. Do it yourself in maths homework. If any student have doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and after completed the given class work and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now let this. Okay students, now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is write first 3 common multiples of write first 3 common multiples of 4 and 6, 12 and 15, 8 and 16, 15 and 20. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that question number 3 of A, here given that 4 and 6. Firstly, we have to write multiple of 4 and multiple of 6. Then we have to choose common multiple of this multiple. Okay, look at here carefully. It means that firstly we can write the multiple of 4 is equal to, dear students, we know that multiple of 4 is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, and 4 10 is 40. 4 11 is 44, 4 12 is 48, 52, and so on. Okay, and multiple of 6 is equal to, and multiple of 6 is equal to 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 12, 18, 6 3 is 18, 24. Okay, dear students, here we can write only 10 times. Okay, look at it carefully. Multiple of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. Okay students, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to write the multiple of 4 and multiple of 6. Then here we choose common multiple. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 12 and here given as 12. It means that 12 and 12 is common multiple. Okay, next here given that 24, here also given that 24, therefore 24 is common multiple, okay, of 4 and 6. And again here we get 36 and here 36, then this 36 and this 36 are common multiple of 4 and 6. common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, then the common multiple of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36. Okay, students. Therefore, here we can write 12, 24 and 36. Understand? Similarly, you can solve all given questions. If any student have doubt in these questions, please ask me. Okay, students. Thank you.